bioremediation. Now, bioremediation approach in terms of biochemistry can be of three types. Either the whole bioremediation will be aerobic in nature, or it will be anaerobic process, or it will be a sequential process that involves few stages of aerobic conversion and few stages of anaerobic conversion. Now, if we compare aerobic and anaerobic types of bioremediation, then we will find that aerobic bioremediation reactions are far more rapid, far more efficient, and for that reason are to be chosen. But the problem is, when you are performing aerobic bioremediation, then air is to be provided, oxygen is to be provided. That is a bit of technically not feasible in the pollutant sites, and it makes the whole process expensive also. And if we see the anaerobic bioremediation, then yes, the process is a little bit slower, but anaerobic bioremediation is cheaper, is simple to perform, it doesn't demand any supply of gases. And for that reason, anaerobic bioremediation is the method of choice. The examples of anaerobic biodegradation includes DDT and endosulfan. These are at the end, at the summary, I would like to conclude that anaerobiosis, the growth of anaerobic organism, is the process that takes place on the earth since the evolution of the first organism. Anaerobic organisms are living all around us, and we need to learn how to grow these anaerobic organisms. We need to learn how to control these anaerobic organisms. Some of them are our friends, we can use them for fermentation. Some of them are our foes, which are harming us by causing anaerobic diseases. And our knowledge about growing them helps us. At the end, I would like to express my sincere, heartfelt gratitude to the whole technical and non-technical teams of BISEG, coordinator of SANDHAN, Higher Education Commissionerate, Government of Gujarat, and my colleague and all the students who are making this endeavor possible. Thank you. Namaste.
SANDHAN, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.